What is tidal power?
Tidal power is a form of renewable energy harnessed from the natural rise and fall of ocean tides. By taking advantage of the predictable movement of water caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and sun, tidal power plants are able to generate clean electricity with minimal environmental impact. Let's break down the key steps in how this fascinating technology turns tides into power.
Step 1. Capturing the tide.
Tidal power plants are typically built at locations with strong tidal movements, such as estuaries or bays. Barriers called barrages or underwater turbines are installed to capture and control the flow of seawater. As tides rise, water is held in or allowed to flow through specially designed channels, storing potential energy that can later be transformed into electricity.
Step 2. Water movement and turbines.
When the difference between high and low tide is great enough, water is released or flows through the power plant's turbines. The movement of water, either as it rises or falls, spins the turbine blades. This mechanical rotation is essential, as it is the primary way the power of moving water is converted into usable energy.
Step 3. Generating electricity.
As the turbine blades spin, they drive a connected generator. The generator transforms the mechanical energy from the turning turbines into electrical energy. This process is similar to how wind or hydroelectric plants work, but it relies on the steady rhythm of the tides rather than wind or river flow.
Step 4. Delivering clean power.
Once produced, the electricity is transferred through underwater cables and connected to the main power grid. Tidal energy is highly reliable due to predictable tidal cycles, providing a consistent source of clean, renewable power with minimal greenhouse gas emissions, making it an important technology for sustainable energy production.